Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. We have started with the unit number 3, maintenance and condition monitoring, and in the previous video class we have discussed the definition of the maintenance. In the today's class we are interested for importance and necessity of maintenance. So let's go to the today's topic. So this picture explains the importance and necessity of maintenance. So around you can say there are 10 importances of doing the maintenance. So first importance is by doing the maintenance we can maximize the production. Now how this we are going to explain? Let's say if because of maintenance, if the industry or if the electrical equipment fails or if the electrical equipment is undergone into the failure, then because of that failure of that electrical equipment there is a revenue loss is going to occur for that particular industry. Hence there is a, you can say either we have to replace that equipment within a very short of time. If we can make possible to do the maintenance for that equipment regularly or periodically, so because of doing the maintenance that electrical equipment, the life of electrical equipment you can say increases, and because of the life of electrical equipment increases we can say that the overall life of that electrical industry or the industry is also increases. We are interested for doing the maximum production. So if the life of electrical equipment increases, ultimately it results into the maximum production inside the electrical industry. The next important point is minimization of the energy usage. Now how we are going to explain this point? We can say that by using the maintenance or by doing the maintenance for electrical equipment, one can reduce the energy consumption. So, and as we are reducing the energy consumption, then it results into the saving of our rupees ultimately. So, this is the advantage of maintenance. The third advantage of doing the maintenance is optimizing a useful life of equipment. The fourth advantage or the importance of doing the maintenance is providing a budgetary control. So we can control our electrical equipment's budget, and whenever we are doing the maintenance we can say that we are controlling the budgetary provision. The next important advantage of doing the maintenance is optimizing the resource utilization. So we are using the electrical equipments inside the electrical industry, and by doing the maintenance we can optimize the resource utilization. The next advantage by doing the maintenance is it reduces the breakdown. So if we identified the faults before the breakdown by doing the maintenance, so we ultimately reducing the breakdowns or failures of that electrical equipment. Ultimately we are reducing the downtime also, and if the downtime increases or you can say shutdown time reduces, it increases the productivity also and it increases the overall revenue of the company also. The next important point is improving the equipment efficiency. So by doing the maintenance or by proceduring the maintenance work for electrical equipment, we can increase the electrical efficiency or you can say equipment efficiency also. Then we can improve the inventory control. So this is again the advantage of doing the maintenance. And the last point is implementing the cost reduction. So this is the all the importance and necessity of the maintenance. Now we are interested for the maintenance objective. The maintenance objective should be consistent with and subordinate to production goals. So you can easily understood that inside the electrical industry or in any industry, we are considering maintenance on the top priority, because if the electrical equipment fails, so there is a severe loss of revenue and there is a loss of time also. The relation between the maintenance objectives and production goals is reflected in the action of keeping the production machines and facilities in the best possible condition. So this is the maintenance objective. Next, maximizing the production or increasing the facilities availability at the lower cost and at the highest quality and safety standards. The next important objective is reducing the breakdown and emergency shutdowns. So we are decreasing this. Optimizing the resource utilization, that we have discussed earlier. Reducing the downtime, this also we have discussed earlier. Improving the spare stock control. So by doing the maintenance, one can achieve all these goals. Again, there are customer satisfaction is also the important aspect by doing the maintenance. So if the electrical industry does the regular maintenance of their electrical equipments, so the customer will get satisfied. So these are the maintenance objectives. The question is surely asked for 7 to 8 marks in the end semester exam. Define the maintenance along with the objectives or necessities of the maintenance. So at that time you have to clearly write the definition as per IEEE, and if you are preferring to draw the chart or to draw the tree diagram like this, so it will be helpful for you to get a good marks. I hope you understood this concept. In the next class we will discuss the types of maintenance in detail. So thank you. God bless you all.